Finally, CCP elections have been announced by the State Election Commission today. So, how are you looking at that now? Because the elections would be held on 11th of March and 13th are counting.
Yeah. Uh, our plans don't really change. We are continuing to do our work, continuing to be responsive to the needs of the population. We're there always whenever people need us. So in terms of elections, we have to fight whoever opposition is. Nothing changes with that regard.
So, you all were already prepared.
Yeah, see, that's what I said. I mentioned earlier also, it does not actually matter who our opposition is also. See, we will continue to fight irrespective. We treat every opposition member as a challenge, irrespective of who they are. It's not one particular individual that we are concerned about or anything like that. It's just generally the opposition. We have brought a lot of development to the city. We've been focused on the city. There are a lot of changes, positive changes that have been brought to the city. The city didn't flood. Apparently, everything is going well. So, at least by and large, there is nothing to complain about. This is the first time. Before I joined, I remember the corporation was in the news basically every day for something or the other. And it was never good news, it was bad news. See, I believe the municipality's job should be in the background. We should not be yelling what we've done. So, as long as your streets are clean, as long as you all are safe, as long as there are no issues, that's what we are focusing on. So, hopefully, people respect those things and give us another chance.
If you go to see the last 5 years, how it has been for you as a mayor, challenging job or
No,
what it is?
yeah, it is a very challenging job. There's a lot that happened during. We had to deal with COVID. We had to deal with that cyclone. We had to deal with smart city. We had to deal with flooding. There's a lot of issues that we had to deal with. But we've overcome each and every of those issues, both with the support of our councillors, new and old, and with the population at large also. The people also have been really receptive, have been really nice. So I want to thank them for that. But yeah, it's been a challenging.
And how has been the councillor support of this term?
No, this our councillors have done their jobs in their respective wards and everything. Also, it's up to those ward people to decide whether they still want to keep them or not. I know the councillors have done a good job. We've helped them wherever we could. Like I said again, there have not been any major issues or anything like that. Yeah.
Even in these elections, the panel will be headed by you, though it is yet to be announced. It looks like that. So, how would you take up this responsibility?
No, see, like I said also, there are certain things that we want to accomplish for the city also, right? So we want the city to be, we want the pride in Bangalore to be restored. We want the city to be a vibrant city. We want a lot of participation from the public. We want people to feel ownership for the city also, right? So if you don't have that, then it's not really going to work. So this year, see, it's not like our corporation has waited for the last year to get all the work done, right? We have been working consistently over the past 5 years, which is why there have been no major issues leading up to this point. So the next year is just focusing on maintaining what we have. See, this year again we have Swachh Selection. We plan on coming first again. We are actually interested in what's best for the city. It's always been a dream of mine for Panjim to be the best. Like I've traveled all over the world. You don't get the same feeling when you land in Panjim, right? It's our home. We should treat it as such and everything.
Confident?
We'll continue to work.
Confident that people will give you another term? Your panel?
See, it's not. See, I'm hoping that people give us another. I don't want to sound arrogant or sound this thing. Ultimately, it's up to the people. It doesn't matter how good of a job we do. If people decide not to vote for us, they will not vote for us. Ultimately. But I'm just asking people to vote for what they can visibly see, not for the person who's going to come in the last 1 month and beg for their votes and everything. That's not who you should think, because they have not done anything, and they also have nothing to prove because they've not done anything. So they will attack us for various reasons which don't have nothing to do with governance or whatever it is. Even Soren also was talking about good governance. We have records to show that he's the most corrupt mayor that we ever had also. So people like that should not preach to the choir. It's not like that.
And the way some of them have been attacking you or your other, has that put your moral
No,
down?
not really. See, it's like, it's part of our job. It's their job also. See, personally, I know them. It's not like there's any animosity when we meet or anything like that. In fact, everyone when they meet they're all friends.
All friends.
Yeah, it's not an issue like that.
Only in front of media it is something different.
It is, see, now it's very difficult for. See, look at the opposition also. See, I will always respect an opposition, who wants to do good for the city. Always. I will never say anything bad about it. What irritates me the most, is when people pretend that they're doing a lot, have nothing to show and nothing to do, and then they start attacking. You should lead by example also. Now, if you look at any of the opposition members also, they should come forward on the merits of the work that they've done also. Utpal has not done anything for people to deserve his vote also. He'll go on emotional appeal, that's about it. But emotional appeal is not going to give you a good city, it's not going to give you a well-governed city, it's not going to give you any of that. Once you elect him, then what? He's abandons you all for the next 5 years, what is going to happen also? So we are hoping that people see that the work is done and vote accordingly. Like I said, it's a hope of mine.
So you still maintain, like your father said, 30 out of 30.
Yeah, consider, see, it's not, we are saying it for a reason also, right? We have delivered quite a lot in terms of, see, mostly everything that we said we were going to do, we've done. Okay, it's not, now if you talk about, I remember I was talking to somebody first, and they spoke about how, I spoke to them, but like, let's work hard to make Panjim flood free. That person told me, he's also in the government, he told me, he said, listen Baba, don't even bother trying, it is not possible for you to do it. And I remember that day we were out morning and night. Our staff were out from 6 in the morning, I was out at 6 in the morning, we were out 11 in the night. We cleaned every drain, we broke open every road, and we showed that it is possible to get something done. All you need is the patience and determination to do it. We've shown that. In one of our BJP groups, I remember somebody mocked me for saying Panjimo is 250 out of 1,000, the dirtiest city. Now that also I took offense to it, and we worked hard toward getting it done. And now we're the first. This is the first time Goa has been recognized as being or Panjim has been recognized as being amongst the cleanest cities in India. We are on the same level as Indore and all of those places and everything. We've been recognized by the Prime Minister. We've done all of that. See, I do it because I'm from Panjim. I love my city and I think that Panjim deserves to be the best city in the world. So I am doing it for that. What the opposition says and does is not really, it does not matter to me because I know they are not working towards it. So they just want to play their political games. It's not, I just ignore them.
Like some like to troll you, some are there who want to support you and who will support you. They said like Uday.
Yeah. And that I will not say. See, that I'm not talking about.
Okay. So finally, when you are starting your campaigning now?
See, my
Because
campaigning
core
has
of
happened since the day I got elected. It's only by the good work that you're doing. I am not going to. See, I will ask people to vote for me and everything else. But people, if they feel that I don't deserve their vote, that is completely up to them. I am not here to force anyone to vote for us. It's just we're going just by by the work that we done.
Thank you and all the
Yeah,
best.
thanks. Bye.